built this house back in 2010 before we had kids, and it was beautiful, it was amazing, but the floor needed to be changed. And a few of my friends had suggested flooring online. So when I jumped onto their website, they had such a huge variety. I ordered a few different variations of flooring through Flooring Online, and I had all the samples laid out over the tiles. In the end, I ended up choosing a hybrid flooring. It was such an easy process to just have the hybrid straight on top of the tiles. And also, they're amazing with kids and pets. So if you're looking to update your home or you're in the process of searching for floor, there really is such a huge range of colours that I think it's essential to order yourself some samples, bring them into your space and try them in all different rooms. We had such a positive experience that I definitely would, and I have, recommended Flooring Online to so many of my friends.